we are going to start making $1,700 per year, $150 per month, and also $5 per day. This is just a cool price by just doing this simple. So guys, welcome to the episode of Capstack. Today, if you are new here, I would love you to subscribe to this channel and also like this video. And remember to share to your loved ones so they can also learn from us. So guys, today we're going to take a look at how we can make money through this unique website, which is going to be known to you very soon in this video. So guys, I will tell you to not skip any part of it. Maybe you can skip the important part which the website link will be there, or you can skip a part which you can't even withdraw from the website. So guys, I will tell you to not skip any part of this video. So keep watching it. So this is how the interface of the website look, and it's very simple. We are going to earn money listening to music, watching streams, playing games, and so on and so forth, which are also taking quizzes. Guys, there are so many ways of making money on this website. So guys, you can see we have over 793,000 people on this website, which on an average base, each user make at least $4.04 per day, and also the total and users have made on this platform is almost $501K. So guys, you can see it's very cool, which is very simple. And so we're going to take a look at how it works, which is very simple, which you need an account. If you're not having an account, just register through your Google or Twist. Mostly I prefer you registering through your Google account. So for the second step too, we are going to look at how we are going to earn on this thing, and which is simple. You can see it on your screen. We have so many ways of earning, which is listening to music, playing games, watching streams, taking quizzes and surveys, which is very simple. And also the last part is after making your points, and one thing you have to know is here, after listening to the music and playing, they're going to pay you straight $2. They're going to pay you through coins. They're going to pay you through points. So you convert the points to the dollars, which is your money. Then after that, we have a way of withdrawing. We have so many ways of withdrawing through here. We have the paper, cryptocurrency, or gift cards. Guys, it's very simple as ABC. So you can see you can withdraw it through Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so forth. And there are also so many ways of making money here. So guys, you can see earn over $5 a day listening to music. So guys, it means what I even said at the beginning of the video, you can even earn more than that. And also their paying system is very fast. So now let's take a look at how you're going to start with this earning. So you have to tap on the start. And so you can see we have login with Google and login with Twist. So guys, for now you're not having the account, you have to go and register, which is here. So you just tap on it. So it's very simple. So now they need only your username, your email, and your password. Just logging in, you can just go straight to your dashboard to see what's going on over there. So I'll go to the leaderboard where they normally reward people daily. So you can see for the daily leaderboard, this guy was the person who won for the last match, and the one who was the second person. So you can see there are so many taxes you can perform, guys, so you can win this match. So now let's go and check the taxes that we can do to earn money. So now let's go to earn. So now you can say for their first prompt, they will tell you using a VPN, proxy, or any other means trying to cheat the system will lead to your account being terminated. So guys, make sure you never use any VPN or any means of self-referring yourself and those stuff, guys. That is not good. Also, for their second rule, in order to make sure this app really works as intended, you need to disable ad blocker. So guys, you know how it works. Let's move straight to your web developer, then search for ad blocker, then disable it. Complete over here, which you earn points by completing tasks, playing games, and participating in service, and many more, guys. So we have also the watch streams, which you know it over here. Just watch people videos and you get paid every minute you watch a video. And listening to music, you get paid every 10 minutes you listen to the music, and this appears through the points, as I said, so it can be converted into your cash, which is dollars. And watching of clips too, guys, it's very simple. And flapping and taking quizzes and daily challenges. And also mostly I prefer the invite friends, which is one of the best way to get money on this platform. Inviting your friends through this help you to gain more money from the work, because the work and the taxes they be giving here, unless you have much time, and much data on your mobile device, so you can be doing them frequently to earn more points, so you can exchange them for your cash. Guys, you can see it's very simple. We have so many. Also, we have the bonus point. This one is a lucky picture for you guys. This is a bonus thing for you. It's like if this bonus point, you can't depend on it. You only depend on your work and your referral bonuses, guys. So this is how it works. So guys, let's try to see if we can watch some clips or watch some streams over here. So you can see we being able to open the streams. You can see we have so many streams over here. We have gaming streams, PUBG, Fortnite. Guys, you can see there are so many games here. World of Warcraft. So guys, let's try to watch one over here. Fortnite, guys. So if you're a game lover, this is best for you. Just sit down and be watching it. You have to verify that you are not a robot. So you can see for their rule, you have to verify that you are not a robot, so you can start earning. So guys, this is how it's going to look like. You can see it live here. People are chatting over here. You can also send messages to them, and which is very simple. So what you need is a stronger network and enough mobile data on your device. So guys, now let's go and check how you're going to withdraw from this application. Can you hear the voice of it? The person is playing the game over here. So every 1 minute of it, you're going to earn your points. So guys, now let's move straight so you can withdraw this. So let's go to withdraw, guys. So for the withdrawal, we have through the crypto, which is from the Litecoin, Bitcoin, and the Ethereum, and also they can pay through the paper, as most of you are using paper, and also at gifts cards. For the gift card, we have the Visa, Amazon, and so on and so forth, guys. You can see it's very simple. Then, and the minimum withdrawal is $2, guys. It's very simple. This is $2. So guys, that's how it is. So I will tell you, the website is, move straight to your web browser and search for rewardy.io. That's where this website is found. It's a legit website, and guys, keep trying. You're gonna make a lot of money from it. So if you find this video helpful, I would love you to share this video to your loved ones so they can also learn from us. And also remember to subscribe if you haven't, and also like this video. So guys, I'll tell you, if you have any question, just leave it down below the comment section so I can reply you as fast as I can. So guys, thank you.